Let's take the next part of the lesson on page number 30. A famous French chemist, he discovered that diseases are caused by microorganisms and bacteria and could be killed by heat. And his discovery led doctors to wash their hands and sterilize their instruments. So he is a famous French, means he belonged to France. So he is a famous French chemist, and he discovered that microorganisms and bacteria, they cause diseases, and these microorganisms and bacteria, they could be killed by heating, by the process of heating. And after his discovery, the doctors started washing hands properly and sterilizing their instruments or boiling their instruments to kill the germs and bacteria. For example, when we boil milk at our home, then bacteria and germs are killed which are present in the milk. And his name is Louis Pasteur, and this process of heating is named after this scientist, and we call the process as pasteurization. Let's come to the next part. He is a British physicist known for his contribution in understanding space and universe. Means he belonged to England. He is a British and he is a great physicist, physics, related to physics, and his contribution is there in understanding space and universe. So space and universe, he gave different theories regarding space and universe. Completely paralyzed at a young age, he was completely paralyzed at a very young age. He went on to give many theories on astronomy and cosmology. See, his life is an example for all of us, that he was completely paralyzed. Still, he is the best and world renowned scientist, that he gave us different theories on astronomy and cosmology. So we should have willpower. Willpower is something that generates energy in ourselves. So physical incapability or physical weakness, it can never stop a person from doing anything he wants to. So we should also have a willpower, have a strong willpower to do the things. And his name is Stephen Hawking. Now let us complete the exercise given in B part. Take the correct option. In which year was the ball bearing patented? Means he is asking in which year was the ball bearing patented. Ball bearing patented, by this thing we mean that a ring shaped track that contain hard metal balls and that roll freely. They can roll freely and they are used to reduce friction, where rotating element is attached to any fixed point. So the balls, they move freely. And what this ball bearing, what it does, it is a type of, you can say, a rolling element that carries loads, that reduces friction, and it also positions different moving parts. It gives position to them. And its answer is part number 1, 1794. When was the first rocket launched? And first rocket was launched in 1942. Next, in which decade did television become widely available around the world? So when the television was discovered, television was invented, then it took some time that it was available. It was not available previously, but it took time so that it was available after some time. And In 1950s, you can say that television was widely available around the world in different portions. As you must have heard from your parents also, that when they were kids, then they used to go to somebody's place to watch Mahabharat, and some people used to come to our place to watch Mahabharat. So television was not available in each and every home, so people used to go to neighborhood places to watch television, and in 1950s it was made available around the world. Next is, who discovered X-rays? William Röntgen. We have discussed this question in science also. Who is called the father of computing? All of us very well know that Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers. Who invented the diesel engine? So by the name, we have three options, all have diesel in them. We know that the scientist name, it has diesel in it because on the name of scientist the name is given to this engine. And answer is Rudolf Diesel, number one part. Who invented magnifying glass? Roger Bacon, he invented magnifying glass. Let us have a look at the additives. Yashiro Nakamatsu, also known as Dr. Nakamatsu, is a Japanese inventor who claimed to hold the world record of over 3,200 inventions. And Thomas Edison was the other inventor who had patented around 1093 inventions. So see these scientists, how many inventions they have made, that they claim to hold, that they have invented so many things in thousands. So we should get a motivation from them. We should always try our best to do something great, to do something different. We should be innovative enough, and it's a great opportunity to all of you to show your skills. You must also try to find out new things.